Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Yume Twins box for you from July. This will probably be going up in August because it is literally the 31st of July, so it's gonna be a few days late, but it'll be up soon. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I got in this month's box. I need to open it. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Oh my goodness, I see Sailor Moon Pokemon stickers. Look, Sailor Moon and Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It's the pool party one. Okay, I did get this. Oh my goodness. It's a little curvy like balloon thing that you can like bop around. Oh my goodness, I'll have to blow this up eventually and see how it goes. But that is so cute. This is amazing. I got a Sailor Moon crystal container holder thing. Oh my gosh, and it's pink. This is the best thing I've gotten in this whole box ever. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. I'm totally switching this to my cotton bowl holder. Oh my gosh, I love this thing so much. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's called Moonlight Fantasy. This is amazing. This is probably my favorite thing I've ever gotten in one of these boxes. I love Sailor Moon, like a lot. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's gonna be used literally right after I'm done with this video. Alrighty, we got this super cute fan for all these hot summer days. Look at how cute it is. Little Hello Kitty's friends. This is cute. Oh, it has Hello Kitty and the little twin kid thing. I like this thing. It's really cute. And you can wear it around your neck. There's a little like necklace on it. How fun. I like this. This is adorable. I did get Pokemon stickers. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute they are. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. There's Dittos and Pikachus and Grimers and Snorlaxes and Mimikyu. Oh, I love this. And Pokeballs. And then we got this super cute tiny bag with some stuff in there. And one of these things. Look at how cute they are. Oh, I love this. This is like the cutest little bag. Oh my goodness. And then I got this super cute little like keychain thing with this little character. I can't remember what her name is, but I do like her a lot. And then this little thing on it. This is adorable. This is probably one of the best boxes ever because of the Sailor Moon thing and the Pokemon stickers. So we got this cute thing, this, some stickers. This just fell off of that, but we'll figure that out in a minute. We got a cute little fan, this awesome little jar that is like so pretty, and then this cute little blow-up ball thing. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Anyways, guys, that is everything I got in my Yume Twins box this month. It was awesome and exciting and cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing all the cute stuff I got. If you get this box, comment below and let me know what you got in yours, because I think we get different stuff in ours. I'm not sure, but I think so. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys!